Hey everyone, Kensurfs here, and time for another shave. And I'm excited about this one because if you've watched the channel, you know that I really like that menthol shaving soap and the menthol aftershave. I mean, I've had some so strong that my eyes just water. Well, there's a new soap that comes out, what are we? We're 1/28/2019, and tomorrow on 1/29/2019, from the Sudsy Soapery, Blizzard will be released. It's not available yet. It will be released tomorrow. And this soap, oh man, makes my eyes water. It's got, let's see, I've written it down here. It's, it's actually a tallow soap. And it's very soft. Look at this. Very, very soft. It's got peppermint, wintergreen, menthol, and a touch of pine, and a generous touch of menthol, I'm here to say. So this is going to be in the shave today. I also had a couple of other mail calls. So after today's shave, lined up tomorrow and the next day, we're going to be previewing some razors. And finally from Europe, my aftershave arrived. So after today, I will be trying out this aftershave. It came from Europe. Looking forward to trying that. My friend Sheldon at the Global Shave Club has a couple of razors, and I'm really anxious to give it a try. He tried sending me one of these a while ago. In fact, it arrived. Have you ever received a package that has been eaten by the U.S. Postal Service, where a shred of a package is left? It had the Calypso in it. It had a couple of blades. I couldn't tell who it was from. I didn't know what it was. And then Sheldon kept saying, hey, did you receive this, the razor I sent you? And I didn't realize it was him who sent it. I thought it was, one of the subscribers. I didn't know, so I hadn't had a chance. So he actually sent me another one along with the Challenger. And this is actually a disposable one-blade razor. You open it up, you can put a single edge blade in there. You can take a normal DE, snap it in half, put it in there, and use it. So for travel, not bad. And the Calypso is supposed to be great for people who have ingrown hairs or a lot of razor burn or bumps. So I'm looking forward to trying this in an upcoming shave this week. He says he has a new blade, Zircon. I haven't tried these blades out. Global Shave also sent me these. He said they're very good blades. They're very smooth. So I'm really looking forward to trying that out in a shave after today's shave. Then from the folks at Naked Armor. Now, there's probably a lot of you straight razor shavers who know Naked Armor. Bulk of their products are straight razors, but they do have a kit, a really nice kit. Dropping my aftershave. A really nice kit with, let me show you here. This is kind of a sneak preview. So I'm going to be trying this out after the Calypso shave. So I've got a few lined up. If I could grow a beard in an hour, I'd do 3 shaves today. But, it takes a day or so to get some growth going. So that's kind of a sneak preview of what's coming out. So today with the Blizzard soap, I'm going to be using some familiar items. I'm going to be using the Merkur long handle. Very mild razor, and I'm going to be using the Gillette Wilkinson sword blade in it. Now, in case you guys are wondering, this is the saloon pack of the Gillette Wilkinson swords that come from India. There's also a similar looking, not quite, that comes from China. And I haven't tried those, but a lot of you are saying that the ones from China are not quite as sharp as these. So I do recommend, if you're, a fan or you want to try these ones out, a fan of Gillette Wilkinson swords, you try the ones from India first. So then if you can handle the ones made in China, packaging just a little bit different. But these have never gone wrong with me. They're my go-to. Just like you can get Gillette Super Thins made in different regions of the world. And I've tried these and they're good. But these ones are, unless it's just the luck of the draw, these ones are really good. So I will be using the Gillette Wilkinson sword in this today. I'm going to be using my Shavemac. I really like the Shavemac Badger brush. In fact, I don't think they make this model handle anymore. I'm going to use the Vanyulay bowl to whip this up with. Since it's such a soft soap, that brush will just scoop up too much of this. So I'm going to put a little bit in here. For the aftershave, I'm going to use some Floyd. Really like this stuff too. They have the Epsilon version of the blue Floyd, but I'm going to be going with the original today. So let me make a little room, and I'll be right back. Kind of funny, I'm setting up some stuff, and I was going to show you something, but someone might have pulled a fast one on me here in the Kensurfs humble abode, because I went to grab my crystal skull, and I find it in several pieces. And they put it back as if it was intact. Now, could it be my son? Could it be my wife? Fortunately, I keep an extra one. Because what I did is I found a crystal shave bowl to kind of mate with this. Well, not mate with it, but kind of go together with it at Home Goods. So I was going to show you that, and I pick up the other crystal skull. It's in pieces. This one I've had for years, never an issue. That one I keep sitting outside on my dresser. Oh, wonder who could have done that. Now, never mind cutting my chin today. Cut my fingers. All right. Let's get this shave started. How funny. Pulling a fast one, putting it back like nothing was wrong. Now, I guess it could have just shattered in place. You know. If I didn't have another one, I'd have been pretty upset. All right. So I'm just taking some of this Blizzard. I'm putting it right into the Vanyulay travel bowl. And, oh man, Monica from Vanyulay, she's got multiple colored ones of these, purples, reds. I'm gonna have to score another one of those, because pretty cool. I saw the purple one. Somebody had one on one of the Facebook pages, and it looked really nice. All right, so I've got the Blizzard set. I'm gonna soak the Shavemac for a second in the water. Wet my face. No pre-shave today, but this time I'm gonna squeeze a lot of that water out, because I don't know what the water ratio and everything. I probably should put a little more in. See, when you're trying to soap for the first time, getting the combo doesn't always work the first time. So a lot of you guys are saying, hey, I'm trying this and it's not wet enough, or it's because it takes a while to get used to making the perfect formula. Now, I can tell you off the bat, the soap smells fantastic. Look how thick that is. I probably should add a little more water, right? Almost too thick. Getting the right water ratio. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little more. There we go. It's blooming pretty good. Oh, it definitely smells good. Now, you guys who say I put it on too thin should be very, very happy today, because that is thick. Very thick. Wow. Oh, love that menthol. Love it. All right. You guys who are getting hit with that cold front out there in the East Coast and the Midwest probably don't like it, but we don't get very many cold fronts down here in Southern California, so This soap feels great. The Sudsy Soapery. Have you guys heard of them before? The bonus to this channel for me is I get to try out some cool items that I might never have heard of. Oh. Thick soap. Yeah, definitely thick soap. Yeah. So with my channel, I don't practice on these things before I show them to you. I try them for the first time. So that way, if something goes wrong, you get to see it right away. Nothing's gone wrong with this so far. You know, again, I shouldn't speak too soon. But I would have had a dilemma had I used a new razor or a new brush that I wasn't used to in conjunction with new soap. And then if something goes wrong, you go, oh man, was it the blade? Was it the soap? Was it the razor? So that's why with the soaps, or like when I do Global Shave Club or the Naked Armor, I'm going to use familiar products that I use all the time so I can see how they stack up. So I went to the website again for Sudsy Soapery, and it does show release date tomorrow. And I definitely appreciate the fact that they sent me one in advance. I really like previewing stuff for you guys. Okay, now that's one pass. My eyes are feeling the burn. It's very nice, the menthol, but not to the extreme as I think the Arctique had. Close. But I really love that stuff. So, all right, I'm going to add a little more water. Oh man, it's very cold. Very nice. This is the type of stuff I should be using in the summer. Make me remember how the winter feels. Perfect. I heard some of you gents are going to be at the Big Shave Southwest. And in fact, I talked to Sheldon, and I talked to the folks at Victory Shave, and I don't think Victory Shave is going to be there, but I mean, real nice to see some of you guys at that. Some of the vendors at that Big Shave Southwest, and I think I've got a link to it inside this description. And some of the viewers, I had one gent who goes, "Hey man, I just booked my ticket from Nebraska. I'm going down to Arizona." And I don't know if it's the first time you're going to Arizona, but when you're there, you're 2 hours away from Tucson, old Tucson Studios, where John Wayne filmed a lot of his movies. The Airplane Graveyard. Tombstone. Go to the OK Corral. Man. The Biodome. A lot of cool things in Arizona. You'll just be missing spring training, so you'll be missing some of the teams that practice there. But I'm definitely looking forward to that Big Shave Southwest. Razor Emporium's there. If I have time, I'd like to go see that facility because they do some great restoration. At least The restorations they've done for me worked out very well. My Gillette red tip, very well. I'm not even finished with a 9,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm already thinking of the 10,000. And picked up a Gillette Black Beauty, so I might be giving that away. So some good ideas. See, my eyes didn't water. There goes the air freshener. Definitely have soap on the ears here, Ken. All right, you're seeing that shave with me using that soap for the very first time. No cuts. Very, very smooth. I've got the tingling menthol right now. I can, it's almost like you've got the burn already. Very nice. All right, so I like it. You guys can take it or leave it, but I like it. I recommend you give it a shot. Oh, love the burn. There we go. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the mail call preview, and hope you enjoyed the blizzard, because yeah, check out their site. Their link will be, I'll put the link here. You can also go into the description. You can check it out. And they go on sale tomorrow. Unfortunately, a lot of these things sell out like that. You've seen that happen before. The Gillette Sensor XL razor on eBay. I had my friend Chris from Another Cut Above contact me from, I think it's New Zealand, Australia or New Zealand. And he said, hey man, they're getting like $100 for these old razors there. I do a video of that razor, and I don't know what happens. People want it, and then they go up on eBay in price. But it's good to get the word out to you guys. And there's a good chance this blizzard will sell out. So I don't know if they do pre-orders, but it does go on sale tomorrow. So check it out if you get a chance. All right, you guys. Great seeing you, and I thank you very much for watching and your subscriptions, and I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. Goodbye for now.